Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. So listen, I want to address this comment that I got, and I don't know how I'm gonna say this. Like, when I read the comment, it was like I had to reread it because I'm like, okay, let me see what she really saying. Okay, so this is how the conversation went. She commented, I noticed Jazz is out there as well, because we were trying to figure out who was going to be the special guest. So at this point, she realized that it was Jazz. She said, like, why? This should be about Toya and Red. Now, he about to turn a destination wedding trip into a YouTube house. When I responded, I said, dang, what? Okay. I respond and say, because I was about to go in on her. I wasn't about to go in on her, but like I couldn't really understand. I understood what she was saying, but you know how it be. So my response was, yeah, I'm on the fence about it. I understand this is Toya's wedding weekend, but from what I understand, Nene and probably Nene friends was upset that Toya did not invite all her friends. I mean, she does have a crew of friends, though, meaning like she got a bunch of friends. It ain't just a best friend and an extra friend. It's like 5 or 6 girls. Yeah. She couldn't invite one without the other. Zanique is there because, of course, her and Zanique best friends. They grew up together. However that go, you know, Toya wasn't gonna not, like, that didn't make sense. So we know Zanique was gonna be there. But the rest of them, it don't sound like she invited nobody, because why they weren't on a plane with her? If they was going to go, they would have been on a plane with her. So I guess she didn't invite none of her friends. So she said, yeah. So this is me responding. I said, yeah, this is Toya's wedding weekend. But for what I understand, Nene and probably Nene's friends was upset that Toya didn't invite all her friends. I mean, she does have a crew of friends, but then Armon is there. And she let him come, and he just got into the family. So basically, Armon was able to come, but he just got into the family. So I might have been knowing Toya and Red for a year or two. Armon only been in the Carter's life for like 3 months. That's what basically I'm saying. She let him, this is me thinking out loud. This is me like, okay, trying to just, understand what she's saying. So, I mean, she does have a crew of friends, but then Armon is there, and she let him come, and he just got into the family. So, I think Nene just said, forget it. Let's invite all our friends so nobody won't feel some kind of way. That's what I think happened. That's how I think we got here at a big house with Armon YouTube friends and REGINAE friends. Because in my mind, I had it in the back of my mind, but it's like, I don't know. We don't know how it went down. But then I seen her vlog, REGINAE vlog, and she was saying her mama didn't invite none of her friends. And Toya's response was, this not your wedding. So you could already see it was a little bit of tension right there from that part, because REGINAE felt like her friends should be at the wedding. But this is a destination wedding. So the prices are inflated. So if you're supposed to spend $20,000 on a wedding, a destination wedding, you spend $100,000. I'm just saying. Okay. This is her response to me. She said, Beauty Passion, hear me out. With Nay, it's understandable to want your friends there. But trust, she understood all her friends couldn't come. So she basically saying like, Nene knew all her friends weren't going to be able to come. She understood that they couldn't come. Like Nene probably understood that. That's like how I just said, she should understand her mama not about to invite your whole crew. Then she going to say, Toya and Red probably didn't invite a lot of kinfolks themselves. Armon just was invited. So instead of him, Armon just was invited. So instead of him being in the moment, he going to invite his friends, and he's a +1. Now, when she said that, I understood where she was coming from. Like, you bringing your friends into this. This is supposed to be, first of all, I didn't even think that far. What I was thinking, like, it was supposed to be just him and her and y'all relaxing, having a little out of town vacation. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all been working hard for the last 2 months. Okay, y'all have y'all little out of town vacation. Y'all relax. It's your mama wedding. And let's just turn up in Cabo. But I'm not even gonna lie. When I started hearing like his friends was coming, in my mind, this is in my mind, I know it's good to take advantage of all opportunities if you can, as long as it don't hurt nobody. So when YouTubers find an opportunity to make great videos, they run with it. So this was an opportunity for it to become a YouTube house. Like she said, this was a great opportunity for it to become a YouTube house. On top of that, Cabo is only 2 hours. It's really only like less than 3 hours from Houston. So it was easy for his Houston friends to get there. It was real easy for them to get there. I mean, that's a 3-hour flight. We in Cabo. But at the same time, it's like you were a +1. You didn't get an official invite. You were a +1. You were like, how am I saying this? You were like, you just happened to be at the right time at the right place. I'm just going to be honest. So with that said, how do you turn a weekend that's supposed to be about my mama and her getting married to a YouTube house? I get what she's saying. On my side, sometimes when it's an opportunity to make money, you might have to just go with that opportunity. You know, sometimes people don't think about the other side of things. It's just like, okay, it's an opportunity to make some money. We could all be in here filming, dropping videos, and getting to this bag this weekend. And I think that's where our mind went, because that's how it's looking. You know, it's about to be a YouTube house. All REGINAE friends have started YouTube. So we got REGINAE friends is on YouTube, and ARMON'S friends is on YouTube. We finna get a bunch of videos. So that does take away from it being Toya's wedding weekend. And you were, let's just be honest, you were a +1. So I do feel what my beauty friend is saying. I do feel it. You know, like, again, I'm on the fence about it. I'm still half and half, but I see her side too. You know what I'm saying? How do y'all feel? How do y'all feel about it? Should Armand had even invited any of his friends there? Should this just been a weekend for him and Nene to chill and enjoy her mother's celebration of getting married? Or when it's time to get to a bag, it's time to get to a bag. No matter where it's at. We at Cabo. Where we at? Cabo got beautiful scenery. So this is about to be some great content. You see what I'm saying? So are we looking? At the end of the day, let's go get this bag. Because we don't know when we going to come back to Cabo. But we here now. Let's get this bag while we in Cabo. Let's turn up. Or should he been more thoughtful of it being Toya's wedding weekend? How y'all feel in the comments below? Let me know how y'all feel. I'm on a 50-50 scale. I'm half and half. I'm not on either side. I'm not on Armand's side, and I ain't on Toya's side. So tell me whose side y'all on, because that was actually a good observation. I didn't even think that, like, I thought about it, but I didn't think about it. You know what I'm saying? So let me know how y'all feel about that comment that was left, and which side are you on? All right. Thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.